Hey guys, don't waffle back. I decided I might make one or two more videos for tonight. And, I've been thinking. I love Halloween. I love scary things. I love myths, urban legends, conspiracy theories. And honestly, I don't know if I have the brain capacity or brain cells to debunk them, but I could possibly talk about them. So I've decided that maybe, just possibly maybe, I might make another series where I talk about conspiracy theories, myths, urban legends, whole shebang. So, yeah. And also, what else should I talk about? I want to make this video a bit longer. I don't want it to be just a minute long video. What else should I talk about? Maybe I should talk about, I don't really know. Yeah, this is just kind of awkward now. Well, anyways, yeah, I decided, why not? I should talk about conspiracy theories. Everybody loves them. They get lots of views. Well, I mean, from big YouTubers and small ones too, but you get the point. And urban legends. Now, obviously, I can't have the enticing thumbnails that usually, pertain with this kind of stuff. But, tonight, don't always judge a book by its cover. Or don't judge a thumbnail by its title. I don't know. Yeah, basic point is, I'm going to talk about them. And I'm very excited. Because, man, oh boy. I don't know if I talked about Halloween earlier, because I'm probably going to do these away from Halloween, but I could do them for Halloween too. I just think, I just wanted to talk to y'all about this. Also, I have quite the weird, I know something I can talk about. I have a pretty weird bathroom. Now, bathrooms aren't usually weird, despite the fact that they are bathrooms and anything could happen in a bathroom. Literally anything. Anything could happen in a bathroom. But has anything as weird as this happened in a bathroom? Now, as you can see, I have one light switch in the bathroom. Oh, not just that. I also have two light switches to the bathrooms. Technically four, but that light switch right there goes to this, which is basically just a bathroom closet. The other three switches, that one and those two over there. Now, those are the weird switches. All three of them work to the overhead light right there. Man, it's weird operating this thing. Seriously, you have to flip a bunch of switches to get the light to turn off. Man, it's just the weirdest thing, because I've never seen a bathroom with three switches that all of them work. The thing about the one of the switches is that with this one, oh, never mind. Okay, well, the thing with one of these switches is that actually has an on and off thing. As you can see, if this would, there you go, it has an off thing. That one doesn't, which it doesn't have anything. Then this one also doesn't have anything. So what's the deal with that? I don't know. I never have been able to figure it out since I lived here. I don't know. Who knows? 3 light switches are better than one, I guess. I'm just kidding. No, they suck. Friggin' sucks because you could just flip one and the light wouldn't turn off. And you flip the other one, still won't turn off. No, it's pretty weird. Yeah, that's about it. You know, video's probably gonna be my longest. 5 minutes isn't that long for a normal video, but who cares? Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about my possible new series. And, you know, the weirdness of having 3 light switches that operate one thing in your bathroom. Technically, it's 4 light switches, but only count 3 because it actually, you know. Yeah, anyways. Hope you guys are having a good day or night, depending on where you guys are. Hope you guys are having a lovely time. And hope you guys are having an awesome Pride Month. Anyways, see you guys later. Peace.